In this video, you'll learn how to log into your MoonPay account. This process involves navigating through several pages and entering your credentials to accessfully. Start by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, type Google into the address bar and press the Enter key. This action will take you to the Google homepage. Next, locate the search bar on the Google homepage. Type in MoonPay and press the Enter key again. This will display a list of search results related to MoonPay. You will see various links and resources related to the platform. After that, find the link that says MoonPay, buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos. This link is usually among the top results. Click on it to be directed to the official MoonPay website. Once you are on the MoonPay homepage, look for a button that says Get Started. This button is typically prominently displayed. Clicking this will lead you to the next step in the login process. At this point, you may see options like settings or a prompt to continue with Bitcoin. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you decide to click on settings, it will take you to your account settings. Upon navigating to the settings or continuing with Bitcoin, you will see a welcome message stating, "Welcome to MoonPay. This confirms you are on the right path." A message may also prompt you to sign in to unlock the full experience. Look for the button labeled Sign In and click it. This action will direct you to the login page where you can access your account. On the login page, select the option that says Sign In with MoonPay. This will allow you to enter your login credentials, which include your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Ensure that the email you enter is the one associated with your MoonPay account. After entering your email, click on the button labeled Continue. You will then receive a message indicating that a verification code has been sent to your email. This code is essential for completing the login process. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you are in your Gmail inbox, find the email containing your login code. This email will typically be from MoonPay. Click on it to open and view the code. After locating the email, copy the verification code provided in the message. Make sure to copy it accurately to avoid any errors during the login process. Return to the MoonPay page where you need to paste your code. Locate the input field for the verification code and paste the code you copied from your email. After pasting the code, you may see a message indicating that the system is verifying your email. This step may take a moment, so please wait patiently while the process completes. Once your email is verified, you will see a confirmation message stating that the setup is in progress. This message indicates that you are close to accessing your account. Finally, you may receive additional messages confirming that the system is preparing your account. This may take a few moments depending on server response times and internet speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.